So we're trying out a different bar today. This one's called Lone Star Saloon. I'll just swing up. It's on the same Pattaya road just before you head off into Jomtien Beach Road. So this is the Lone Star Cowboy Shots. Let's see what that's all about. You ready? There they are. Oh wow, quite a selection. Cowboy, I won't repeat that one. Cowboy Killer, Cowboy Kicker, Standoff, Lone Star, the Texan, is that Gin Slinger, and Colt 45, so very cool. And then beers, oh here we go. This is a good view of all the beers actually as it goes, so let's just do that. So, up to 6 p.m. 55 and after 8 p.m. 88. That's your normal prices there on the top left. Okay, that makes perfect sense. And then they've got the, oops, sorry. You know what? Prices are not too bad, not too bad at all. This is your view that you would get if you were hanging around here. And while we're on the subject, we just inquired, so if you were to buy a lady a drink in a bar like this, it would cost you 150 baht. So, a bit more information for you guys. There it is. We asked one of the members of staff what nights they have the music, and apparently they have music every night, 7 days a week. It starts around 8 p.m. through until 2 a.m., which is the normal closing time of these bars down here. What I would say is we can vouch for one band, the Filipino band. We're fantastic. I wouldn't be slightly surprised if all of the bands are really good. I haven't come across a really bad band here, to be honest, so it's worth coming down here. The ambience seems cool, it's got a nice vibe about it. Come and have a go. The beers are great, prices I mean, and you've got a really good selection as well. So yeah, I mean, I'm not giving that as a recommendation. All we are trying to do is, when we are in a bar, is giving our opinion of that bar at the time. At the moment, it's completely empty, so I'm not exactly saying, oh, the bar's so full and popular. I'm just saying what they offer, and, you know, would I come down? Yeah, I would, absolutely. So give it a go. Right, I'm not sure if you can hear that this is quite loud here, but I cannot believe that we just rode the motorbike from, I mean, I could throw a stone, I could probably spit that far. I'll show you now what looks what I mean. Okay, that's where we were, and I'm on triple zoom, by the way, so I'm going to reduce to one zoom, and look where we are now. We're like, right, here we are. Cannot believe we rode a motorbike from there to here. I said, let's just walk. So I said, oh no, we've got a motorbike, let's use it. True? Yeah, like I've always said, I quite like this road. There's a bit of something for everybody. So that there, the old Lone Star, definitely recommend it. Been there a couple times. The music's good in there. There's someone's birthday tonight. So we've come over here to a place called Rumours. Do you know, it's all right. It's all right. They got football on there if you're a football person, which I'm not. It's okay. Yeah, cool. Bit of pool going on. They got 2 pool tables. Lots of people happy to chat to you. Yeah, it's all right. I don't know. I'll tell you how much the beers are right now. Actually, how much? What time? Okay, so it's now. Okay, so oh, there you go. 70 baht, which is actually, if you go out for a night out, that's really good. Finish. Okay, so guys, happy hour finishes at 9 p.m. We are out beyond 9 p.m. and we are paying 70 baht for a bottle of Singha, which is a good price, I have to tell you. So, yeah, we'll keep you informed how the evening goes. So, guys, we've made our way around to a Rompo market, and I have to be honest, we went down the bottom end, and my good lord, they're playing this music that was just horrible. So we've escaped. Let's call it that. We've escaped. We moved up the top end, which is a lot quieter. We're in a bar called the Rumours Bar, and yeah, it's it's quite nice. Again, we may well have to extract my voice for this particular recording, but I'll give you a spin around. This is very nice. I'll tell you how much the drinks are as well. So, guys, we've got Singer, and that drink is 75 baht, so 150 baht for the two beers, which is cool. No problem with that. We're going to play a bit of pool, and I'll just show you around very quickly. Okay. I'm now standing on the corner of Jomtien Beach Road behind me there, and this is Chayaporek Road, and we have come to try a Sunday roast at the Golden Monkey Cafe.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself, and I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la la la.
So what we're going to do is, well, I've already said we're going to try the Sunday roast. It's a mixture of 3 different meats. So we'll put Snow on camera in a couple of minutes once it arrives and see what she thinks, and we'll give an honest review. I think the price is actually excellent. Let's just hope the taste is as good as the price. But we'll keep you updated. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the Sunday roast at 179 baht. Absolute bargain, and looks great. We will now put it through its paces on the taste test, but yeah, visually very cool. Looks great. We are now completing our Sunday roast. As you can see, it beat me. I couldn't finish it. It smelled a bullet. So, what do you think, Snow? What do you think? Yeah. Big thumbs up. I have to say it was really quite delicious, and you know, a lot of people say it was good for the price. I wouldn't put it in those terms. It was just good, period. I mean, there was loads of veg and meat, chicken, pork, potatoes, Yorkshire pudding, gravy, just peas. Unfortunately, they also had Brussels sprouts, but thankfully Snow relieved me of those, I'm very happy to say, because the devil's food is what I call those. So other than that, this was superb. And even if you include that, I'm only joking. Fantastic. 179 baht for a plate like that. Quick observation I've made is they seem to have an awful lot of regular customers, which says a lot for a place. And since we've been here, there's only a couple of people in here, but slowly but surely they're all coming in. Clearly a place to recommend. Yes, definitely.
It's good to see you, that's bullshit. You don't like me and we both know that. Can we just pretend we're grown-ups for a minute? You said you're sorry, but talk is cheap. You got away with it too easily. Can we just pretend we're grown-ups for